Hey everybody, Brad from Image here. We're gonna be testing out our ceramic wax replacement. As you know, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee on all of our products. I had a customer said he was having issues getting this thing to bead. We require the bottles to be about 50% filled to return them. This customer definitely used way more than that. And so I asked him how he managed to use so much, and he said he didn't mix it. It says to mix 8 to 12 ounces in a foam cannon on the bottle. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna test out this product straight, as well as using it at a 10 ounce to 40 ounces of water in a foam cannon. And we're gonna compare the results. He had a gel coated camper RV, and he said it wasn't beading on that. So I'm gonna test it out on a door panel, and then we're going to a friend's house and we're gonna check out how it does on a camper. And we're gonna use it full strength and use my mixture. So let's take a look. Here's my already mixed ceramic bottle that I use at the shop, 10 ounces, rest water. This is the customer's bottle. We're gonna pour this straight in here. We're gonna use my foam cannon first. I'm gonna put this knob all the way to basically water. I'm gonna do just a quarter turn back. All right, I'm just gonna hit this side. Okay, that'll be good. We'll do the same thing with his. That should do it. Let that sit a minute. Instant beads. Man, I almost feel bad going over to my friends to test this out, because it's gonna work. All right, let's go see Silas. Sweet, thank you, Silas. I'm just gonna test these waxes out on this, just this little section over here. So let's just see if we can see the beads first. Looks like the window has some beading. See that? But nothing down here. Here's his bottle, completely straight. We're just gonna do it, keep it on this side of the RV. Won't need more than that to see what we're doing. Do a little bit more than last time here. Let's dial back. We'll try to hit about halfway, okay? Mixed? Not mixed. Instant beading. I didn't even wait a minute. In case we forgot what no beading looks like. Our mission is complete. Thanks for staying along for the ride, everybody. If you'd like to see more customer-based videos, leave a comment below. We'd love the opportunity to do it.